Alright guys, we're back. Anyone know who this is?
Each one in line or two. I'm fine, baby, how are you? I would send them, but I know.
Great song. Okay, we are going to finish up here on Geometric Sequences and Series. It's Mr. Morrissey, your host. We are looking at example number 4. And you know, people might be wondering, God, you sound so confident behind the microphone. I will tell you, when I was in high school, CCHS, I was a DJ for 4 years at WIQH 88.3 FM in Concord, and it was like the thing that I did in high school. And I just realized this now, but this is bringing me back to being a DJ in when I just played the music and then I started talking. So this is really cool. So I'm really enjoying this. I hope you are. And we're going to do 2 more problems, then you're going to summarize, and then you're going to write down a question that you have. All right, guys? So let's see. Consider the geometric sequence 3, 9 over 2, 27 over 4, 81 over 8. Find the 8th term and then find the rule. Okay, we need to find the common ratio first. So 9 over 2 divided by 3. That's 3 over 2. So make sure, I'm sure on the MCAS there'll be a question for you sophomores about taking a fraction and dividing it by a number and multiplying by a reciprocal. I know everyone knows that. But we get the common ratio is 3 over 2. So we already know a lot of information here. So we want to know the 8th term. So we want to know a sub 8. The first term is 3. The common ratio is 3 over 2 to the n minus 1. So let's see. We just found the rule. If I okay, let me slow down. A sub n is the first term times the common ratio n minus 1. Done. Now to find the 8th term, we're just going to throw in real quick 8 minus 1. You're going to use a calculator. So this is equal to okay? That's example 4. We found the common ratio. We already knew this was an easier question. We already knew the first term. So here's the first term. Here's the common ratio. N minus 1. That's the rule. Then we just plugged in. Give you a second to look at that. Okay, here we go. All right, read this next one for me. The 5th and 7th terms of a geometric sequence are 3 and 9. Okay, so the 5th term in a previous, I think in part 1 of Geometric Sequences and Series, we were writing the 5th term or any term in terms of the first term. That's going to be the first term r to the 4th. And the 7th term can be r to the 6th. Okay, third question we've done as a flipped class, system. Systems are going to be important. So it looks like we're going to divide. So I know you can see that the a sub 1's cancel. So don't forget, when you take the square, if you introduce the square root, you need to throw in a plus or minus. Okay, look, we're trying to find the 6th term. The the common ratio is plus or minus root 3. Well, we already know the fifth term. So a sub 5 is 3. So that means that a sub 6 is a sub 5 times the ratio. Well, a sub 5 is 3. So one answer is 3 root 3, and another answer is negative 3 root 3. Done. Actually, let's try a different one from the same artist. I want you to summarize, write down questions, and I will see you tomorrow.